Hey guys, Troy here. Gonna tackle Grace to Grace by Hillsong. I'm late on this one, just like I'm late to a lot of them that I upload, but you know what, they're fun to upload. When we start playing these at church for the first time, I really start to connect with them, and that makes me want to upload a playthrough to hopefully help some people if they're struggling with the song. So this one, what I noticed, kind of like a special note, I listened to the tracks on rehearsal mix, and man, the guitar tone is bright. And that's like a new Hillsong thing to me. Their tone in the past is pretty bright, and then like the Live in Miami Hillsong United stuff, it's a little more dark, I guess. And then this new stuff, man, like the guitar tone is crazy bright. So I matched it, I mean, to my ears almost perfectly using the Tone Junkie Ace and Rolex profile, which is an AC30 and a 69 Vibrolux dual profile. And I have like the treble almost just dimed. The definition is super high. Rolled off some bass, added some mids with this guitar because this guitar is not super mid heavy, so I added some mids with that. And I actually added a treble booster to both of the settings that I have here. So it seems crazy bright. So when it's loud in the mix like this playthrough, it's going to be pretty bright. But just trust me on the fact that that's how the tracks sound. I copied them as close as possible. And also, I combined both guitar tracks. So there's two guitar tracks in this song. So you'll hear after verse, the first verse where the guitar comes in, switching back into that little pre-chorus part. It's a little weird switching from the two sounds that they use because one is a heavy dual delay and the other one is just like a slapback delay. So switching between the two can be a bit weird, but I think once the guitar is lowered in the mix, it'll sound fine if you want to play both parts like that. So Grace to Grace by Hillsong. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Pre-chorus. Chorus. Interlude. Verse. Pre-chorus. Chorus. Interlude. Bridge.